Welcome to Tech Info. In the previous video, we looked at how we can install and run softwares from a USB drive using portableApps platform. If you've not watched that video, I'll leave the link in the description below. From the previous video, we saw that because all the softwares we can install on the portableApps platform have .paf extensions, we couldn't install softwares with exe extensions on the platform. And here we can see that all the portable softwares I downloaded have portable attached to the software name. So we will also keep that in mind. So how do we turn exe files into portable apps that we can use from a USB drive? Well, that's what this video is about. So, before we can turn any software into a portable app, we need to install that software on our computer first. So I'll head to my programs and install Zoomer. So let's get into it. After we are done installing it, we head to the location where we installed our Zoomer. So we open my computer and then we open this drive right here. After opening it, we head to program files and open that one as well. Since we installed Zoomer, we find a folder named Zoomer and then we move that folder. We will head to our USB drive, we open that drive and then we open portable apps. We paste the Zoomer folder we moved here. Moving takes a while, so we will come back after the process is complete. Okay, we are done moving the folder to our portable apps platform, and now when we try to run the Zoomer shortcut on the desktop, it doesn't run, which means we've successfully moved the folder from the program files on our computer onto the portable apps platform on our USB drive. So we go ahead and delete the Zoomer shortcut on our desktop since we won't be needing it anymore. So let's start our portable apps platform. Okay, so we've opened our portable apps platform, and then here there is a folder named Other that has been added to the platform. So we click on it to expand it. So when we click on it, there is Zoomer Revenge on it, which means the program is running successfully. But how do we find out? Well, let's run the Zoomer itself, see if it works. Okay guys, it's running successfully. So you successfully turned this Zoomer software into a portable app, and it's now on our USB drive that we can run from any computer we insert the USB drive into. So that's basically how we turn exe file into a portable app. After installing the software on our computer, we head to program files, move that folder, the software folder, we move the entire folder and we paste it on our portable apps platform, and that is it. And then we've successfully turned an exe software into a portable app that we can use anywhere. Sometimes there may be a situation where you turn an exe file into a portable app and you still won't be able to run the software. So I installed Photoshop on my portable app platform to show you how to fix that problem. So here I have my portable apps platform opened up, and since I've installed the Photoshop, it has been categorized to the graphics and picture folder. Let's open it to find out what this problem is all about. When I click on the Photoshop, it tells me could not find all this here. So how do we fix it? To fix that, let's close our portable app platform and head to the USB drive. Open this folder right here, and then we find the Photoshop folder we moved here. So this is the folder, and here we have our Photoshop icon here. So what we will do is we will rename this file. And we will add portable to it. So portable, just like this to it. Don't forget to make the P capital. It's very important. So after we're done renaming this file, we close the folder and then we go open our portable apps platform. Okay, we have our portable apps platform open, and now we will start the Photoshop again to see if the problem has been resolved. Okay guys, Photoshop has opened. The problem has been fixed. So now we can run Photoshop from any USB drive that we've installed portable apps platform to, and then we have our Photoshop to attach to it. Alright, that's it guys. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video.